Hi, my name is Dixie Biggs. I am a wood turner, and so I started doing a lot of wood turning, and at some point in time I got tired of just the plain wood, and so I wanted to start adding color and dimension and just textures to it to just enhance it a bit and give it a look of something a little different. Okay. Initially I started out with simple tools that I just had around the shop. I had a little vibrating engraver that makes a great little texturing tool. I had a Dremel tool that I'd been carving with and playing with for years, and I could do lots of different things with that to create a texture. And then I started doing more relief carving, and then I got what's called a little micromotor, which is a nice little rotary power carver.
Okay.
And so I can use lots of burrs on that. And I can also use, or like using a wood burner. You can paint it. You can dye. There's different dyes you can use for woods, or there's a variety of painting techniques that you can add to it. If you were going to do the turning or something else to create whatever you were going to do, you might need a little more space. But for the embellishing itself, you can just have an area on a table. I like working on a table at home and just have a nice comfortable chair, and so you can have everything kind of right there on a small little bench to do the embellishing. Just pick up a tool and start playing with it, but it's always great to find a class. Lots of schools around, but one that's in Florida here is the Florida Woodworking School over in Tampa.
It's a lot of fun. You walk in there and it's a nice, comfortable woodworking studio, so you feel like you're in a wood shop.